Hi, hi, hi.
Hi.
Say hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
So we're popping on because Kaydon is going to be my cameraman, aren't you?
Mm-hmm.
He's going to be my cameraman because he's going to help me demonstrate how you turn a tabletop warmer into a mini warmer. In fact, what we're going to do is a mini warmer into a tabletop warmer, aren't we?
Mm-hmm.
We are. So I'm going to turn the camera around. Let me face it over here because we're going to do it over there. So can you hold it?
Mm-hmm.
Have you got it?
Yeah.
Can you see me?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
So we've got a mini warmer. This is a nice one, isn't it? You
Yeah.
like this one, Kaydon?
It's a really good one.
I like this one. So this is our tie-dye mini warmer. And all I'm going to do is unscrew it. Can you see that on the screen?
Yep.
Yeah? Is that unscrewing? You can see me doing it, yeah?
Yeah.
So I'm unscrewing it.
See it coming out.
Yeah, awesome. And then all we do is gently twist and lift that off and put that just there. So we've taken that off. And with a tabletop base, and I've got it just here, all we do for this one is twist it off. Lift it up. And we'll put that one just there. Is it on all right? Have you got it? And then all I do is simply put that and twist it on. And that's now on, like that. And what I can do is put this one on here. Now I have to make sure I get it the right way round. That way round. And twist it. And then what do I have to do, Kaydon, do you think?
Screw it back in.
Screw it back in. Well done. Can you see that?
Yep.
Whoop! Fell out. So we'll just screw that back in just to make sure it's nice and secure and doesn't wibble wobble. We don't like a wibble wobble, do we? Definitely not.
No.
So that's now screwed back in. And what I'll do is I'll plug it in over here.
Back over there.
Back over here, which is where the other one was, isn't it?
Yeah.
And if I turn that on, there we go. You can see that one. So, bring it back over. And what we'll do, we'll turn it back round. And there we go. That is how to change a mini warmer into a tabletop or a tabletop into a mini warmer. So if you've bought a tabletop base or if you've bought a mini warmer and want to change it, we can change the bases for you. No problem at all. So if you've got a mini warmer and quite fancy having it as a tabletop, just message us. The tabletop bases are £22. Or if you've done it the other way around and bought a tabletop, but you'd like it now as a mini warmer, the normal mini warmer bases are £12. So you can just buy either base and just swap and change it around. That's quite cool, isn't it, Kaydon? It is quite cool. Right, we are going to get off because what do we need to do now?
Make our cakes.
We need to...
It's made it. We just need to do the icing.
We do. So we've made the cakes. Now we need to go and sort the icing out, don't we?
Yeah.
So that's our important mission now for the rest of the afternoon, isn't it? Awesome.
And then play top trumps.
And then play top trumps. So we've got our afternoon sorted. I hope you're having a lovely afternoon. Take care. I hope you enjoyed that. Mwah. Bye.
Bye.
Well done.